Hi everybody, it's me, Artist King, bringing you another video. So today, this one is a little bit different. And as I always tell you guys, I'm reusing a canvas because I don't believe in wasting stuff. For you guys who've been watching me for a while, you know that. So anyway, this is a canvas I did a spin art on few months back. You could probably go on the channel and see the video where I did this. So I decided I'm gonna use it to do a little bit of collage, surreal type art. So here I'm just gonna try and lighten up the corners to make the colors a little bit lighter. For what I'm gonna do, it's something I found some images and I thought it would make for a good picture if I put it together and added some other stuff to it. So that's kind of what I'm doing here, just getting the edges to look a little smoky, to kind of get off the colors just a little bit. So you'll see as I go along, you'll see why I did these edges in white, and then I think I'm gonna use a little bit of blue. You'll see that in a little bit. I'm gonna switch it out and get some light blue and use that over the white. Yeah, see, there you go. And then I'll just kind of take that and blend it all together so it looks like smoky white blue kind of thing. So yeah, so that's kind of what I'll be doing there. Yeah, so see, so just do it like that, and then you'll see where I'm going with this. It may look kind of like, what the heck is she doing? But keep watching and you'll see. As though they say, some people say the end justified means. I don't even know if that makes sense right now, but yeah. So, like I said, I have several magazine images, pictures that I've gotten from magazines and different books and stuff. So you'll see it now as I transition it over to that part of the thing. There you go. So you see, it's like a forested area now. And I have several different images. I found these images in a Glamour magazine, I think. I can't even remember which one it was. But I thought they were different. I believe it's supposed to be like a coat, but it makes the person wearing it look really weird. So I thought this would make for a good collage. So just keep on looking and you'll see. See, there's another one that's a coat. It's one of those down coats. I guess some designer took it and tried to make it kind of fancy. So that's what you're looking at. So I found several images, so I kind of cut them out and thought they would make for a wonderful collage. So that's what I'm doing there. Yeah, there you go. So it looks like they're kind of walking around the forest kind of way. And then I have a little lion. I found that. And he's looking over them like, okay, what's going on? And then, what else did I add? Well, I just tried to make sure the edges it still had a kind of smoky kind of look about it. So they tend to look zombie-like, creepy-like. That's kind of what I was going for. So, yes, I kept having to do that. So then I decided it would be cool to add some more images. So I did use magazines. I used stencils because I'm having so much fun using the ink pads and the brushes that I found. The craft brushes, you'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit. So I went through all of my stencils. I have several stencils. I'm hooked on buying stencils because I always figure I could do something with it. So you'll see in a little bit, and then I have all these stamp pads with different colors. So there you go. I'm transitioning over to that now, and you'll see I'm going to use the stencils to add some animal images to the picture. So see, I'm not sure what that animal is. I can't remember, but use your imagination, you'll figure it out. So yeah, I put some animals down to the bottom so it looked like they walking around down at the bottom, and these zombies are like going around through the forest. I couldn't find a bigger picture. It would have been nice to have a bigger picture, like fill up that whole thing with the background looking like the forested area, and then just add the animals. That would have been good, but I couldn't find pages that were that big. And I don't know if where you guys live, if there's a Ollie's. It's like a store where they sell things cheap. And they have a section that sells books. So if you're looking for like these coffee table books, like National Geographic, and some have pictures and cars and you name it, you can find all types of books, and they sell like, sometimes you might get them for $7 or $8. And you could also use them to decorate your coffee table, but you could also cut the images out of them and use them for your artwork. So that's where I got the background image here. So if you have all these where you live, you may want to check them out if you're looking for pictures, background pictures of the ocean and animals and things like that. You'll find those books, they're really cheap. Whereas if you have to buy them, some of them go as much as $40 or $50. So check it out if you're looking for that sort of thing. So yeah, so I'm almost done with this. So I'm thankful to you guys who keep watching my videos. And like I said, I reuse canvases. I scour places for old magazines. I'm waiting for our public library. They haven't had a book sale in forever. And I was told by one of the employees that when they sell the magazines, the old magazines, they sell them for like a quarter. So I'm just waiting to go in there and get a whole bunch of magazines that I can use to do this. So anyway, guys, I'm done. So thank you so much for watching. Tuesdays and Saturdays, remember, like, subscribe, tell a friend, do what you have to do to get the word out, and I will see you next time. Okay? All right. Bye now.